Let us revisit the word healing today because I think it gets used so loosely online that it has started to mean almost nothing, and I would like to give it back some actual shape. Healing through reading isn't a single dramatic moment, however much that would make for a better thumbnail. It's almost never a single book changing everything overnight. What I actually see in the people I work with and in myself is slower and less cinematic than that, a kind of accumulation. One book offers recognition, another offers language for something that didn't have words yet. A third, months later, offers a different perspective on the same wound because you're a slightly different person reading it by then. None of those moments looks like healing while it's happening. It looks like a Tuesday evening with a book. The healing is only visible later, looking back, noticing that something you used to carry with a certain heaviness doesn't sit the same way anymore, and tracing that shift back to a string of ordinary reading you didn't think of as treatment at the time. This is also where I want to be honest about what reading doesn't do. It doesn't process trauma the way structured therapy can. It doesn't replace the work of actually changing a circumstance that's hurting you. What it does specifically is keeping you company through the parts of healing that happen slowly, in private, often between appointments or instead of them when nothing else is available. Viktor Franklin wrote about finding meaning even inside genuinely unbearable circumstances. And I come back to his work not because it's a healing book in the dramatic sense, but because it models something quieter. That meaning making itself, however small, is part of how a person survives and eventually reconstructs themselves. That's closer to what bibliotherapy actually offers than any single transformative read. So, if you've ever felt like reading should be doing more for you, faster, more visibly, it's probably doing exactly what it does, which is slow, cumulative, and only obvious in hindsight. That's not a lesser kind of healing. It might be the more honest kind. So pick the kind of healing you want. The honest, slower healing, or something that is only rushed and only exists for the sake of it.